There's plenty of wood being chopped, split, and loaded. We're at the Summit Camp at Union, Michigan, a wonderful location run by 5 Star Life.
The Summit is 300 acres. It's used really as a training facility for our mission. That's changing the face of education by changing the mindsets of students. It's one thing to learn the values and the curriculum in a school setting, but it's another thing when you're out in nature. Experiential learning just becomes real.
5 Star Life was formed to develop in middle school students the desire to succeed and own their futures. Through education and mentoring, 5 Star Life serves as a catalyst for change, focusing programming on 5 areas: at-risk education and academic support, workforce readiness, mentoring, character education, and experiential learning.
We're changing the face of education by changing mindsets through after-school programs, through our video curriculum that schools implement during the school day, and then through leadership events and leadership days that schools and groups can come out and participate in at Summit.
In schools they've partnered with, 5 Star Life has helped as many as 80% of entire school populations raise their GPA or maintain a 3.0 or above.
Their heartbeat is really the same as our heartbeat is, and that really is just developing quality leaders. And they have that vision, and it just is a perfect fit for us to partner with them as they work with the youth so that they can be the great leaders tomorrow. It is tremendously fun. It is so great to see our people out here just volunteering their time.
More than 40 Grand Design team members are on hand on this day to assist 5 Star Life.
We're having a blast. It's great to get out of the building. We were excited to be here, excited to help out 5 Star, and it's a good bonding moment for line 2, and we needed that. We're a small production line, and we got most of the staff out here, so we're having a good time.
Grand Design is incredible. I mean, they're supposed to be in the factory working right now, but they're out here helping a nonprofit get things done. And there's a whole army of people out here. It's 15 degrees out, and they're getting wood cleaned up. And you know, if you're serving students and you're called 5 Star, it better look good. They're helping us fulfill our mission and helping us save a bunch of money in hired labor.
If you would like to help make a difference in the lives of at-risk kids, you can make a donation by visiting 5starlife.org/donate.